Hello guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to set up Nmap module in Visual Studio Code editor. You can download Visual Studio Code by the link that I provided in the description. After downloading, navigate to Downloads folder. Then use the command dpkgi filename. In this case our filename will something.deb. Now use the command dpkgi something.deb. To download Nmap module, use the pip install python nmap. To check whether our Nmap module downloaded or not, once open Python interpreter in the terminal and use import nmap statement. If it shows error, then use pip install python3 nmap command. After doing this we are good to go. In next video I am going to build a port scanner using Python with the help of Nmap module. Thanks for watching. If you did, hit like and subscribe to our channel, it will help me a lot.